Good afternoon, all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Komal Kapoor and I'm from Delhi. I have done my 12th from CBSE board with science stream, 81% marks. After that, I have completed my ET from SCRT with 78% marks. And after that, I have completed my graduation from Delhi University. And right now, I'm pursuing my Bachelor in Education from Jamia Millia Islamia with distance mode. About my experience, I have 3 years experience as a contract teacher in SKV and MCD both. And I like to teach my locality students, and I like to involve in social activities also like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and girls education. My father's name is Mr. Prem Kapoor and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Nita Kapoor and she is housewife. We are 3 siblings. My elder brother is working as a hardware networking engineer and my younger brother is in 10th standard. Thank you, that's all about me.
What is your favorite subject?
Maths. I like maths.
You told about social activities. So, what are the total activities, all activities which you participated?
Like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, like I always motivate my society, the people of my society to make our environment clean. I do survey also. I was working in MCD, that time I did 2 times survey in society to make people aware of it.
Komal, you said that you worked in MCD also in SKV. What are the difference find in both schools? Can you explain?
मैम इन SKV it was 12th because the school was 12th तक था वो स्कूल, तो मैम वहाँ पे हमें बहुत चीजें देखने के लिए मिलती. कभी कभी like we are primary teacher but sometimes we have to handle upper primary classes also. But in MCD that was only up to 5th level. So this is the major difference.
Can you share any experience of your MCD school that you find it is memorable?
It's memorable. Actually, I have worked in 2 different schools in MCD. First in evening shift and second was in morning shift. So I have felt like there was a major difference in both the schools. In evening, one of my principal came late daily. So she can't say anyone to be punctual because she was not. And in morning, my principal came 5 minutes early daily. So she is very punctual and she can't tolerate any unpunctuality work. So that was very memorable. I can't forget that the difference in both the schools.
Why should we hire?
Because I think I'm a very professional, competent teacher. I like teaching. So I want to be a very successful teacher.
There are so many candidates who have professional competencies and also love to teach. Why should you? So something special about you?
Yes, ma'am. I think I will not teach only school student. I will teach that student also who are not enrolled in school. I will take that student in school who are not enrolled at that time. So I do survey. I make effort. जो नहीं आ पा रहे, जिनमें नहीं है, उनके पेरेंट्स में वो अवेयर नहीं हो पा रहे, उनको नहीं पता कि इसमें एडमिशन लेना है. Sometimes they are not that much educated.
गेम का एडमिशन लेने के लिए मत गए.
What?
गेम का एडमिशन लेने के लिए
स्टिल वहाँ पे भी एक कुछ होता है, कुछ परसेंट जिसमें और जनरल कैंडिडेट भी आ सकते हैं.
सीट तो नहीं
होता है.
नहीं
अरे
होता है.
और
इस साल से हो गया कि केवे में कोई भी एडमिशन ले सकता है.
Komal, one question from my side. If you get opportunity that you are the principal for KVS school for 1 day, what are the changes will you make in the school?
First of all, I came early, half an hour. That day I came. वैसे मैं जल्दी आना ही पसंद करती हूँ, but 10 to 15 minutes. But that day मैं half an hour पहले आऊँगी. पूरा स्कूल ढंग से एक्चुअली वैसे तो मैं स्कूल के बारे में जानती होंगी और मुझे कमियां भी पता होंगी उनकी क्या है. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं यही सबको उस टाइम मेरा ये रहेगा कि सारे स्टाफ में बहुत अच्छा कॉपरेशन रहे और एक आइडियल टीचर मैं खुद भी उनके आगे प्रोड्यूस अपने आप को दिखाऊं. एज एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो जब मैं अपनी प्रिंसिपल का मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर वो फ्री होती थी तो वो कभी भी क्लास में जाके ये कहती थी कि आप जाओ ऑफिस में वेट करो, ऑफिस से कुछ काम करो, कुछ क्रिएटिव सोचो, तब तक मैं आपकी क्लास में पढ़ाती हूँ. तो मैं अभी ऐसे ही बनना चाहूंगी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं प्रिंसिपल में अपने रूम में रहूँ, मैं कुछ जाके अगर अपने स्पेयर टाइम में अपनी नॉलेज भी बच्चों के साथ शेयर कर सकूँ.
Which method do you like most in primary level?
For which subject, sir?
Any subject?
You can say maths.
Activity method, behavior method, which is child-centered, based on individual differences also.
talent, two weakness, and what reason?
I'm very hardworking, so sometimes, I think my weakness. So sometimes I think अगर मुझे कोई काम मिलता है वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा तो पूरा दिन मुझे उसके बारे में ही सोचने में लग जाता है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मतलब मुझे काम करना है, टाइम पे मुझे काम करना है, अदरवाइज बाकी सोचने में मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है. So I'm very dedicated to my work. Sometimes it become my weakness also.
साइंस का टॉपिक है लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, उसको आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे बच्चों को, जिसमें जो मेन प्रॉब्लम आती है वो बच्चा पेड़ को लिविंग माने या नॉन लिविंग माने.
So we can give them example that the things which can grow. So they are living things. So plants can grow.
वो बच्चा कहता है कि वो पेड़ तो चलता ही है ना, हम कह देते हैं कि चलते हैं, जो चीजें चलती हैं वो living
नहीं, हम
होती
चलने का नहीं है, उनको हर चीज बताएंगे. फिर हम सिर्फ ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि वो चलते हैं तो वो सिर्फ लिविंग थिंग्स हैं. हम उन्हें अदर फैक्टर्स आल्सो बताएंगे, एग्जांपल्स देंगे कि अब जाओ अपने आसपास देखो, if you are going to school या going to your home, see your environment and see what
trees are
are
living
living and
and
not.
ठीक है.
Thank you.